To make this super easy, creamy, and delicious matcha ice cream, start by whipping 200 milliliters of cold whipping cream until soft peaks form. You can use heavy cream or double cream, depending on what it is called where you live. I like to use whipping cream with 35% fat or more because it makes the ice cream taste creamier once it freezes. Stop whipping when the cream looks thick, soft, and smooth, as you can see in the video here. Next, add 200 milliliters of sweetened condensed milk to the whipped cream. This is the secret ingredient that makes no-churn ice cream work because it adds sweetness and helps the ice cream freeze with a smoother texture, even without an ice cream maker. Next, add about 2 tablespoons of matcha powder to the cream mixture. Mix until the matcha is fully blended in and the mixture turns an even green color. Scrape around the sides and bottom as you mix, because matcha can hide there and leave streaks if it is not mixed in properly. Freeze the ice cream in a freezer-safe container for at least 6 hours or overnight until it is firm enough to scoop. Cover the container well before freezing. This helps stop ice crystals from forming on top while the ice cream sets. This super simple matcha ice cream has a creamy texture and a gentle, earthy green tea flavor. If it feels a little too firm straight from the freezer, leave it on the kitchen counter for a few minutes so it is easier to scoop. If you like this simple matcha ice cream, then check out this yummy mango ice cream recipe here also. Check it out now!